Alright guys, welcome back to For Life Auto, and we're gonna be changing the F150 2004 5.6. We're gonna be changing the housing for this. Guys, and we're using an 8mm. Inside we have 3 bolts right in here. I'm gonna pop these out. Not too pretty hard job, guys. Pop these 3 out. Screw these out. And then be careful, don't drop any bolts in the tank. Now's a good time to put now's a good time to practice before you move all the bolts. Put tissue inside, because you don't want to drop any of these bolts in the tank, because that's not so good. Now they mightn't do anything much, but it's good not to. See, one just fell. It. So now guys, it's always good to spray some WD-40 around the end. And we're going to show you how to take out this top now guys soon. So you can spray some WD-40 in this along the rim. And then you get a flat point with like a curve. You could get a curve on it. And you can push this in the tip here and then pull. Like this. So it pulls right off like this guys. So it have a clip inside here guys that clips to the yellow press, and you go here. Yeah guys, I don't want to make the video too overcomplicated, so I just put some WD-40 around the end, and then you have a tab here guys. To raise this tab right here and pull, raise and pull, and it pop right up like this guys, and then you pull it like this guys. This wiggle comes right out like this guys. You don't want to get over complicated, so that's how it comes out guys. And most of the time when it's not working, it's working in here. So, without any further ado, we're gonna put back in the new one. It's a pretty simple procedure guys. You can put the new one last. So we're gonna do the same thing. Push this side in. Pivot it a little bit. I'll just pivot it a little bit guys. Too much. Alright guys, so we put back in the, clip it in, and then we're gonna put back in the 8. $8mm. So that's one. Two. And that's 3. Okay guys, I'm just tightening back up, and that's it guys. Simple guys. No, we don't want to make too much complicated video for you to learn at home. that's basically it, guys. You spin. It's always good to put the WD-40 on the end. You snap them up. Not too tight. That's it. And then, as I say, we get the cover, guys. It just snap right on. Look at the clip. Just put the clip here. Put the second here. Just snap it in here. And you just push them, snap it in, guys, and that's it. You take out your trimming, your thingy, tighten your tank, and then you get your cover. That's it, guys. So that's how you replace a 2004 F150 truck housing for the gas tank without any special tools. It's number 8 and a screwdriver, guys. So this can be so overcomplicated, and if you miss anything, rewind the video and watch back again, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope to catch you on the next one, guys. I'm out. If you make it to the end, thank you very much for watching this video, and please consider subscribing. It's free, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.